The following video will explain how to set up a Trimble 252, 262, 372, or 392 to export NEMA to a Raven monitor or steering system. This is the Ag Remote software, but looks identical to your RDI screen in your Pro 700. We need to hit our right arrow twice to get to the configuration tab, and our down arrow once to get to GPS config. Within GPS config, we need to go down 9 times to get to our position rate. The position rate right now is at 5 Hertz. It needs to be at 10 Hertz. To make the change, we can hit our right arrow. You'll notice we get a box flashing. Hit our up arrow, change it to 10 Hertz, and to save it, we need to hit the enter button. Once there's nothing flashing, we know it's saved. Now we can hit our escape, and we're going to be configuring port A today. So once again, port A config, we need to hit our down arrow once. The top line is your input. We really don't care about anything other than the far right number. So we're going to change it. We'll start by hitting our right arrow and hitting our right arrow again. Once the 3 is flashing, we're going to change this to 115. The bottom line needs to be changed as well, but it needs to read 8, N as in Nancy, 1, O, and this needs to be NEMA. So we'll hit our up arrow to get to NEMA, hit our right arrow again, hit this up twice to get to 115, and then hit enter. Nothing's flashing, but this is exactly how it should be set up. 8, Nancy, 1, O, NEMA, 115, K. We can hit our down arrow to get to NEMA 1. We need 3 messages to make a Raven steering system work. We need GGA capitalized to get the GGA message, but we do not need GSA. So we'll start by hitting our right arrow again, and we'll toggle through until we get to the bottom. Once the A is flashing, we'll hit her down to make it a lowercase and hit enter. So NEMA 1, only GGA needs to be capitalized. If nothing's flashing, we can hit our down arrow to NEMA 2. NEMA 2, we only need VTG and ZDA, but RMC is capitalized, so we don't need that message. So we're going to make it lowercase. Right arrow once, down arrow, it's lowercase now. Right arrow until we get to ZDA, up arrow, hit enter. VTG and ZDA need to be capitalized. Down to NEMA 3, nothing needs to be capitalized in NEMA 3. But our NEMA out needs to be changed from 0-1 seconds to ASAP. To do that, we need to hit our right arrow twice to get the 1 flashing and the down arrow once and hit enter. It needs to be set to ASAP. A couple other things to check. Since we're in here, we're going to go down 1 more. This screen has to have 1 Hertz, NEMA, VTG lowercase, and also NEMA quality report true mode. Once that's all done, the configuration is complete. If you were doing this on a Pro 700, what I would recommend, unplug your receiver first, then shut off the key inside the unit.